Do you know my country, Bangladesh?
I don't know. My name is Gabe. So now is the Ramadan. You do
Oh,
fasting? Are you Muslim?
yes. Ramadan. Today is first Ramadan in our Bangladesh.
Yes, Sam. That's why I can seek the fasting.
Oh, I see. Are you Muslim?
Can say the fasting. Don't do anything. Of course. That's why I talk to
Oh,
you.
Alhamdulillah. You are Muslim girl.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Good evening. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I am pretty great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia. How about you?
Oh, I see. Indonesia. Nice country. I am from Bangladesh.
Thank you so much.
You are most
Nice to
welcome.
talk to you.
Do you know my
Now you're
country?
in Bangladesh?
Do you know my
Yes.
Do you know my country, Bangladesh?
I don't. I don't know.
Oh, I see. Have you eaten rice?
Already done.
Oh, so good. What's your name?
Now you're in Bangladesh or where? Thanks. Thank you so much.
What's your name?
Oh, in Bangladesh or which country? My name is Gabe.
Oh, I see. Gibero. Nice name. So good.
You can see my name. Mm. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome, my dear sister. Do you stay city or village?
Okay. Sorry? Say again, please.
Do you stay city or village?
I'm in the city.
Oh, I see. So good. Uh, do you job?
Thank you. No, I'm not doing job anything because I want to focus to puasa. You know puasa, right?
Mm,
Fasting.
I don't know about this matter.
I mean the fasting. You know fasting?
No, I don't know.
Did you know the fasting?
No, I don't know.
You don't know fasting? You don't know puasa? Puasa also don't know?
I don't know.
So so now is the Ramadan. You do
Oh,
fasting? Are you Muslim?
yes. Ramadan. Today is first Ramadan in our Bangladesh.
Yes, Sam. That's why I can seek the fasting.
Oh, I see. Are you Muslim?
I said the fasting. Don't do anything. Of course. That's why I talk to
Oh,
you.
Alhamdulillah. You are Muslim girl.